Want to know how new technologies in the construction industry are making their way into the world? The following construction equipment proves that we're just a few steps away from a fantastic future. It's the Pladio Solar Paver, an innovative solution that harnesses energy through an integrated solar panel. It's a sustainable and eco-friendly building material, not only because it produces clean energy, but also because its frame is made of recycled plastic. The solar cells are protected by non-slip, scratch-resistant, and impact-resistant glass panels. The load-bearing capacity of the solar panel's walkable surface and cable protection are achieved through a sturdy frame structure. The product's frame is made from plastic waste that cannot be recycled by other methods without using virgin plastic materials in its production. The advantage of the composite material in the frame is its superior hardness and longer life compared to concrete. A total miracle, isn't it? Well, the next product will blow your mind with how impressive it is. It's time to talk about an invention that'll change the future of building technology and its impact. It's an ongoing commitment to reducing waste and conserving essential resources. Han Plastics has identified plastic recycling as a fundamental way to reuse depleted resources and address material shortages. The company aims to be a global leader in the production of recycled post-consumer plastic finished parts, underscoring its role as a pioneer in building a more sustainable future. With a processing capacity of 90,000 tons of recycled material per year, including films and mixed plastics from dual systems, Han Plastics has implemented proprietary treatment processes that ensure optimal recycling rates and minimize the amount of material designed for waste. This process results in the Hanit material, with an annual production of 65,000 tons, which serves as a raw material for the manufacture of new plastic products. The company's revolutionary approach avoids the use of primary raw materials, such as crude oil, and relies exclusively on plastics derived from household and industrial waste. But if that's not enough, the next product will amaze and delight you. Plaix Building Systems TM provides innovative building solutions through a composite material called Plaix-Crete TM, made primarily from over 90% recycled materials. The company uses this material to create modular building blocks that eliminate the need for cutting and mortar, resulting in significant time and labor savings for builders. Through a patented process, Plaix TM creates durable and fully interconnected building systems using a mix of hard-to-recycle materials, such as agriculture, marine and industrial plastic waste, along with aggregates from the construction industry. Plaix is committed to developing a growing ecosystem of simple and innovative building products from underutilized waste streams, with the goal of building environmentally stable structures that last for generations and reduce energy costs. Their goal is to raise the quality standards of buildings and structures worldwide. Let's talk about advanced technology, and this next product fits right into that category. Have you ever wondered if there's a company that works magic with wood? Bloomer Lehmann AG shines in the exciting world of timber construction and is a leading company in Switzerland. Deeply rooted in its home country, its projects capture the attention and admiration of people around the world. Sustainability isn't just a commitment. It's at the core of their business, as their family-owned company encompasses every stage of the process, from sawmill to timber construction to pellet production and energy from their own biomass ORC power plant. The magic of Bloomer Lehmann lies in the fusion of traditional craftsmanship with the most advanced digital planning and production processes to bring the most visionary ideas to life. Sometimes the world of evolution knows no bounds, as you've just seen, but the next product aims to raise the bar even higher. Here's another building technology you should see. The Mullerplan FM waterproofing system is not only fast and easy to install, but also guarantees exceptional fire protection, achieving a B-Roof T1 classification. This feature is backed by a solid 10-year warranty provided by the prestigious AXA Insurance Company, offering peace of mind and confidence to those who choose this system. At the heart of Mullerplan FM are its synthetic PVC-P membranes, reinforced with a non-woven polyester fabric that ensures exceptional strength and long-term durability. This system is fully compliant with European standard EN 13956, reflecting Siplast Icopel's unwavering commitment to quality and compliance with international standards. Mullerplan FM is specifically designed for use on non-accessible roofs as a single-layer, mechanically fastened waterproofing solution. Pretty crazy, right? Well, crazy is the next product you're going to love. Want to know how you can use technology to improve your building processes? Edelbond Aluminum Composite Panel is emerging as a cutting-edge product with advanced technology and unique properties that facilitate both creative and innovative architectural design. Embracing curved and flat surfaces, it shines with vibrant colors and adds a touch of elegance to private and public buildings. Its high quality, strength, and unique appearance combine to provide sustainable construction that meets the highest standards of creativity. Edelbond is available with 3 core composition options to meet different needs and requirements. Edelbond PE with a low-density polyethylene core, Edelbond FR with a fire-retardant mineral core, Edelbond A2 with a non-combustible core designed for demanding applications. This range of options ensures that Edelbond meets all fire safety requirements for exterior cladding, reinforcing its position as a reliable and safe choice for high-profile architectural projects. Absolute mastery. But if we were to talk about mastery, the next product would be at the top of the knowledge scale. It's time for technology that has to be seen to be believed. EverPanel, the innovative system of instant and portable modular panels that allows users to quickly create a variety of room layouts. EverPanel's easy-to-install modular panels are ideal for creating classroom partitions, temporary offices, and dividers in environments such as schools, corporate offices, warehouses, and events. EverPanel stands out as a unique system of modular wall panels that can be used to quickly and cost-effectively divide spaces, create rooms, and define areas. Whether for creating removable walls, rooms, and partitions in office or residential environments, or for building portable backdrops, data cooling centers, trade show booths, exhibitions, store displays, art exhibit walls, galleries, stage sets, or even partitions, EverPanel adapts to a variety of creative and functional needs. What's better than mastery? Well, the next product might just give you the answer and make you stand up like you were at a concert. An innovative solution. The Muck Stopper system is designed to protect underground drainage systems from being blocked by sediment, debris, and waste during the construction process. It is well known that mud and dirt pose a challenge to roads on construction sites, as these materials can enter manholes and cause a buildup of dirt and debris in the drainage system. Even the use of street sweepers can exacerbate the situation by directing mud toward the drains. Cleaning drains can be a costly and potentially risky operation. After installing a new drainage system and handing over the site to the next team, everything seems to be in perfect condition. However, when they return to the end of the project, the inspection chambers are often filled with mud, debris, and waste. This efficient solution eliminates the need for costly cleaning and drain flushing. It's impressive, isn't it? Well, the next product is just as good or better, but you won't believe it until you see it. Now we travel to Canada to learn about NovaBrick, an innovative solution in brick cladding that offers a mortarless system that is self-ventilating and mechanically fastened to the wall. Its unique design allows for easy installation, even in winter conditions, without the additional cost of mortar. Unlike traditional systems, NovaBrick ensures uniformity of color and mortar joint height, eliminating any unwanted variation. The ease of installation is one of the highlights of NovaBrick. Its Lego-like approach allows bricks to be stacked without having to screw them together individually. Instead, they're mechanically attached to the building structure with screws every 4 courses, providing a solid and efficient attachment. This method not only saves time during installation, but also provides greater stability. NovaBrick is self-supporting, eliminating the need for a brick or stone ledge at the base. This makes it a versatile and practical option, especially when replacing existing wood, vinyl, or aluminum siding. NovaBrick offers a unique combination of durability, aesthetics, and installation efficiency, making it the leading choice in brick cladding. Only a few more to go. We're saving the best for last. USG Hera Design is a versatile system that showcases wood-wool construction technology for ceiling and wall installations, offering not only a unique and timeless design, but also a wide range of creative options. The high quality and warm properties of wood wool make these products the perfect choice for a wide range of projects, renowned for their aesthetics and functionality. Want to know some of the key features? It offers a variety of textures to meet specific design needs, allowing for creative customization. A virtually unlimited color palette, providing the flexibility to coordinate with any design scheme. It provides excellent sound absorption with a noise reduction coefficient (NRC) of up to 0.90 C40 installation, significantly improving the acoustic quality of the room. It's positioned as a durable and sustainable option for renovations that offer significant improvements in acoustic performance and meet environmental standards. We close with this masterpiece you're about to see that'll blow your mind. Finally, there's an alternative that is revolutionizing the construction industry. SureWall is an innovative solution for the creative do-it-yourselfer. This sliding assembly system is not only quick and easy to install, but also provides an exceptional aesthetic touch. It represents a new perspective and approach to building retaining walls, offering versatility for a variety of applications. Imagine the ease with which you can create raised gardens, picturesque pathways, or even integrate ground-level trampolines for added child safety by preventing them from being launched during storms. SureWall's standout feature is its significant labor savings, as it requires minimal excavation and eliminates fasteners, resulting in significant time and resource savings. SureWall's distinctive feature is its flush finish, which adds a modern, elegant, and discreet touch to the constructed wall. Building with SureWall is surprisingly simple, allowing you to efficiently add value and style to your property. In summary, SureWall is a sleek, sophisticated choice that'll positively impact the aesthetics of any environment. I hope you're impressed with the level of technology we have today. Don't forget to leave your favorite in the comments.